What's up, traders, specifically ASFX members? I appreciate you giving me the time in today's video. So I've got 3 updates for you. First, right now, our platform that we host our courses on is called Teachable. That's where I host all of our courses, our seminar replays, our webinar replays. It's Teachable. But we're going to be switching from Teachable to Kajabi. It's going to give us much more ability to dive deeper into the value that I bring to you and to bring our community closer together. So bear with me over the next month or so as we transition. You're going to be grandfathered in if you're already a member, and then new members are just going to jump right into Kajabi. So keep a lookout for the emails. I'll be doing Facebook Lives in our Facebook group for you guys to let you know how the process is going to go. So there's the first update. Second update is that we are starting a brand new YouTube channel specifically designed to bring you short clips from some of my longer videos. I have some great conversations with some really legendary traders and even just with some of our ASFX coaches that I know you might not have made it 50 minutes into the hour-long video, but right there's that nugget. I still want to give you the nugget. So we're going to make sure we're clipping these videos 10 minutes or less. The channel is called ASFX Clips, and you can subscribe with the link in the description to this video. So make sure you do that. The third update, the most exciting one for me, is that our next Accelerator event is scheduled for Friday, March 5th. Tickets are going to go on sale 2 days from now, January 29th. I'm posting this on the 27th, but the event itself is Friday, March 5th from 9 a.m. till 4 or 5 or 6 p.m., however long it needs to go. But our idea is that we're going to duplicate what we did in Clearwater because it was a success. You guys probably saw the videos on Instagram or on Twitter, wherever I posted them. We had 12 guys fly into Clearwater where I live, and we had a meeting here. It actually ended up going from like 9 a.m. till like 7 p.m., but that's okay because there was just a lot of value being shared, a lot of experience being shared, and that's why I'm so excited to do this next event. So Phoenix, Arizona, Friday, March 5th. Like I said, it's going to be a full day event. You're going to get access all day. You get a PDF copy of the presentation I'm going to give, all the research that I put into it. You get your lunch included. You get to network with all these other traders and get some experience from them as well. And you get a free one-on-one with me after the event to go over your trading plan or go over any specific questions that you have. So Accelerator event details will be out. I'm going to email everybody on our email list and keep VIP members updated about that because I think we're going to sell out very quickly on these 15 seats. Did I say that? Only 15 seats, and the first 5 get $100 off, an early bird special. So first update, again, Kajabi is coming soon. Second update, ASFX Clips is created. Link is in the description. Make sure you go subscribe. And third update is the Accelerator event is coming Friday, March 5th. If you're interested in joining us in Phoenix, reach out to me. Check the description for more information on that. And that's what I've got for you guys. I appreciate the time always. I hope you're having a good week so far. If you need me, reach out to me. Like I said, email, DM, whatever you can do, get a hold of me. I'm here to help. Thank you for the time. I'll see you guys in the morning.